Greetings, fellow traders. So today we're going to be diving into the world of prop trading, specifically in regards to the most recent event that happened with my Forex fund. No doubt that you've heard recently that it was shut down by US and Canadians regulators just the last week. Understandably, a lot of people have been waiting around, holding their breaths, waiting to see what updates will continue to unfold with the prop firm as well as the remainder of the industry, and whether or not most people will be getting their profits back or if they're going to be eating ramen noodles for the next few months. In the meantime, if any of you were associated with my Forex funds and you haven't done so already, I strongly encourage you to consider giving your credit card company a phone call as soon as you can. Recently, my Forex funds was scheduled to have a court date within the last few days, but thanks to the Ontario Securities Commission, we're not going to be hearing any other additional information until October 30th at least. In earlier discussions, I cautioned that most of the path ahead is going to be lengthy and complex. My Forex funds is going to be facing charges very specific to its practices, but still we might be able to expect some type of changes to the entire prop trading industry. A handful of prop firms already have been caught in the crossfire and are beginning to make changes accordingly with what happened with my Forex fund. So I'm going to be going over some of the main changes that are happening inside of these industries. So the first way that most of these prop firms have begun to change already is with language transformation. So prop trading firms used to sound all serious and intimidating. Terms like funded engineer, now they've taken a page from video game industry's playbook, kind of switched to using words like bespoke funding and simulated account. It's almost like they turned trading into a sort of a game with virtual profit targets and virtual losses. I'm just waiting for them to add a leaderboard and some power-ups at this point. The second way that they've begun to trade is with innovative trading models. So they begin to offer traders novel pathways to secure funding. One company getting considerable traction in this regard is with Darwin X. They've even devised a unique system that connects traders with potential investors. Central to their approach is the Z-score, a metric assessing the quality of traders' returns. So, the Z-score determines the level of funding and the speed of allocation. They have also begun to venture into futures. A number of prop firms already are diversifying their portfolios by exploring futures trading as an alternative business model. This type of shift arises in part mostly from the concerns over price feed manipulation, which is the primary allegation against my Forex funds. It's offering a little bit more transparency and oversight. So you have firms like Apex Trader Funding and Top Step, which are long pioneers in futures-funded prop trading. As traders begin to pivot more towards futures, they're going to gain access to a different set of opportunities and challenges. The last and the main way that these prop firms are beginning to change is with legal precautions. So they began to recognize the need for safeguard in their operations. So prop firms are proactively starting to engage with legal counsel both internally and externally. So these efforts are geared more towards instigating changes that would help them steer clear of the predicament that befell my Forex funds. With legal professionals with expertise in more regulatory compliance and financial law playing a pivotal role in shaping of the future of the prop trading landscape. So with the current situation that's going on with prop firms and as it continues to evolve, it is important for us to stay well informed and be able to adapt to these new changes. And while some of these changes that they might undergo kind of tip the scales in the favor of traders at the expense of some of the prop firms' profit margins, the prop trading industry right now is at an inflection point with transformation and innovation that's going to be directing us the way forward. Of course, the challenges faced by my Forex funds as well as the remainders of the industry have kind of reverberated throughout the prop trading landscape, prompting firms to start to reassess their strategies and try to adapt to an evolving regulatory environment. As always, it is crucial to remain logical, vigilant, and well-informed, and open to more innovative approaches. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on the prop firm trading industry and some more valuable trading tips as well. I'm looking forward to sharing more insights with you and some of my upcoming videos as we continue to unravel the ever-changing world of trading.